सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 178, verse 143. निरूपयितुमारब्धे निखिलैरपि पण्डितैः अज्ञानं पुरतस्तेषाम् भाति कक्षासु कासुचित्. As a part of Ishvara Vichara, Vidyaranya discussing the Maya topic in the Mahavakya Tat Tvam Asi, Tatpada Vichara Jnanam or Tatpada Jnanam is required to get Aikya Jnanam. Ishvara nature has to be known. To know the Ishvara's nature, what are the components of Ishvara? There are three components in Ishvara. One is Adhishtana Chaitanyam. Number two is Pratibimba Chaitanyam. Number three, Maya. Adhishtana Chaitanyam alone is called Shuddha Chaitanyam or Bimba Chaitanyam, original consciousness. The second component, Pratibimba Chaitanyam, known as Chidabhasa or reflected consciousness. Third component is Maya. All these three components put together Ishvaraha. All these three components put together Ishvaraha. Without studying Maya, you cannot understand about Ishvara. You cannot understand Ishvara without Maya discussion. Therefore, you have to study about Maya. Among these three components, two are Vyavaharika Satyam, one is Paramarthika Satyam. Among these three components, two are Vyavaharika Satyam. What are they? Maya and Pratibimba Chaitanyam are reflected consciousness. Maya plus RC, both are Vyavaharika Satyam. Why they are called Vyavaharika Satyam? Vyavahara Vishayatvat Vyavaharikam. They are interactable. We can say interactable. Vyavaharika Vishayatvat. Vyavahara Vishayatvat Vyavaharikam. What do you mean by Vyavahara? Vyavaharika Satyam, Vyavaharika Satyam. Unnume illa. Vyavahara Vishayaha Vyavaharikam. That's all. So Maya and Chidabhasa, they come under Vyavaharika Satyam. That OC come under Adhishtana Chaitanyam, come under Paramarthika Satyam. Now the discussion is, this Maya is Maya Prapancham. Maya or Prapancham. Maya alone appearing as Prapancham. So Maya alone appearing as Prapancham. Maya is the cause for Ishvara to create the universe. What about this universe when we ask? What Siddhanti said? Maya. Prapancham is equal to Maya. Previously you said Prapancham is equal to Brahman. Now you are telling Maya. அப்படி சொன்ன இப்போ இப்படி சொல்றேன். So I said it is Brahman. Now I am telling it is Maya. So standpoint. Paramarthika drishtya prapanchaha Brahman. Now I am telling Prapancham is Maya because it is Vyavaharika Satyam. So Vyavaharika Satya drishtya Prapanchaha Maya. So you have to understand the standpoints. Now the question comes, this Prapancham, Maya Prapancham, is Sat or Asat? Is the discussion. This Maya Prapancham is Sat or Asat? Shastra says it is Asat. Shruti says it is Asat. It is non-existent. Pratyaksha Pramanam says it is existent. My Pratyaksha Anubhava Pramanam says it is existent. Sat. World is Sat. World is existent. Maya is existent. Maya is there. World is there. My Pratyaksha Anubhava. Shruti says world is not there. Really it is not there. Maya is not there. Yama sa Maya. What is not there really is called Maya. What is not there really is called Maya. Yama sa Maya. Shruti says world is Asat. Pratyaksha Anubhava says world is Sat. Suppose people come and ask, world is there or not? We have to say, because that person who is asking is not having a Shruti Pramanam in his mind, we cannot say it is Asat. He is asking from the Pratyaksha Anubhava standpoint. For such a person, an intelligent person should give what answer? It is there. World is there. I should not give Shruti's answer. Why? For him, Shruti Pramanam is not there. He do not know Shruti Pramanam. He knows only one Pramanam, Pratyaksha Pramanam. Direct perception is the means for him. So, for whom I can say world is Asat, the one who is exposed to Shastra Pramanam or Shruti Pramanam, for such a person alone, Guru says world is Asat. Not for all people we say world is Asat. We say for all people world is Sat. So we should know where to answer, how to answer, to whom. This is very, very important. Now, okay, world is Asat from Shastra standpoint. World is Sat from my Pratyaksha Anubhava. Now my intellect is sufficiently confused. Because I have come to Shastra. I am not able to totally negate Shastra also. I am not able to negate my Pratyaksha Anubhava also. So I am in between. Now can I take Sat and Asat both together? Okay, I respect Shastra also. Therefore let me take world is Asat. My Pratyaksha Anubhava says world is there. Therefore let me take world is Sat. Suppose intellect is very, very obedient to Shastra and very obedient to Pratyaksha Pramanam. Can intellect have a problem now? Suppose. Student's problem at the first when you come to class, student intellect face this problem. Because I have reverence towards Shastra, I cannot say Shastra is wrong. So therefore I nod my head with due respect. With due respect to teacher, with due respect to Shastra, I nod my head. But my pratyaksha anubhava says world is there. Therefore, I nod my head. After wearing chappal, I nod my head there. After leaving chappal in the class, I nod my head here. Then intellect is confused. What you are? You are nodding head there and you are nodding head here. Also, which one is correct? That's what I am confused. Intellect face a problem. Why? Why intellect face problem? Intellect is very honest. Shastra pramanam is upajivya pramanam, primary pramanam. Pratyaksha pramanam is also another primary upajivya pramanam. Both are upajivya pramanam, both are important. Upajivya pramanam you cannot refute. Shastra pramanam is also primary upajivya pramanam. Pratyaksha pramanam also upajivya pramanam. Both pramanams are important for me. Then both pramanams are important. You cannot say at a time world is Sat and Asat. You cannot say world is Sat and Sat because they cannot coexist. If it is Sat, it cannot be Asat. If it is Asat, it cannot be Sat. Therefore, intellect is in a question mark. Our intellect is putting a question mark. Then what should I do? You cannot say world is existent and non-existent. You have to say fourth category, world is Sat Asat Vilakshanam. World is Sadasad Vilakshanam. What is world? World is nothing but Maya. What we said? Maya is equal to Sadasad Vilakshanam. You said Maya is inexplicable, anirvachaniyam, you said. Anirvachaniyam, inexplicable, indefinable, unclassifiable. You said, now you are giving the definition of Maya. Anirvachaniyam, you are telling one side and telling what? Sadasad Vilakshanam. Is it not a description of Maya? You are telling, what is this world? What is our definition? Sadasad Vilakshanam. What you said, it is Anirvachaniyam. Anirvachanayam means inexplicable. You are explaining with the definition of Sadasad Vilakshanam. Why you give definition if it is inexplicable? Question. When it is indefinable, unclassifiable, how can you use a word Sadasad Vilakshanam? Perussa yedo something you have invented madri. One side you are telling it is inexplicable, Anirvachaniyam. And you are telling Sadasad Vilakshanam. Sadasad Vilakshanam ani chonna, Anirvachaniyam ani chollakudadu. Adi Nirvachaniyam. Everybody Sadasad Vilakshanam iti Nirvachanam. One side you are giving the Lakshanam of the world as Sadasad Vilakshanam. And another side you are telling it is Anirvachaniyam. Vishishtadvaiti asks this question. Vishishtadvaiti asks this question. What question? When you are telling Anirvachaniyam, inexplicable, you should not say it is Sadasad Vilakshanam. Because you are explaining as Sadasad Vilakshanam. Once you say Sadasad Vilakshanam, you should not use Anirvachaniyam. Therefore, you, the Vedantin, is not consistent. Your statements are not consistent. You have something problem. Go and check up, he says. He questions Vishishtadvaita. In Shankara Bhashyam, Bhashya Vimarsha, written by Ramaraya Kavi. Ramaraya Kavi is a great Vishishtadvaiti, became a staunch Advaiti. Then he gives the answer to that Vishishtadvaiti. Oh Vishishtadvaiti, Anirvachaniyam means not that indefinable. Indefinable is not the meaning of Anirvachaniyam. Anirvachaniyam means what I mean, it cannot be explained as Sat, it cannot be explained as Asat. That is the meaning of Anirvachaniyam. சத்தாகவோ அசத்தாகவோ சொல்ல முடியாதது எதுவோ அதுதான் அனிர்வச்சனீயம். அனிர்வச்சனீயம்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? I cannot say this world is Sat. I cannot say this world is Asat. That is why I call it as Anirvachaniyam. I cannot call it as Sat. I cannot call it as Asat. Therefore, it is called Anirvachaniyam. Then what do you say? I say only it is Sadasad Vilakshanam. ஸோ அனிர்வச்சனீயங்கிறது சத்தாகவோ அசத்தாகவோ சொல்ல முடியாதது எதுவோ அது அனிர்வச்சனீயம். டோன்ட் டேக் சதசத் விலக்ஷணம் ஆஸ் த நிர்வச்சனம் ஆஃப் பிரபஞ்சம். ஜஸ்ட் ஐ சே சின்ஸ் யூ கேனாட் சே சத் ஆர் அசத், டேக் இட் இஸ் டிஃபரெண்ட் ஃப்ரம் சத் அண்ட் அசத். வாட் ஐ சே, வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் வேர்ல்ட். World is neither existent nor non-existent. I am not giving any nirvachanam. World is neither existent nor non-existent. It is different from existent, it is different from non-existent. What is world? This is the definition. World is different from existence. World is different from non-existence. That is why we say sadasadbhyam. Sadasadbhyam anirvachaniyam. Sadasadbhyam anirvachaniyam means you cannot define as sat or asat. That is called anirvachaniyam. Therefore, if you probe into this universe, Maya, Prapancham, you will never end up, you go to a dead end. Dead end and closed in artha. You have to come back. That's what he says. Look into the 143 last class. We saw nirupayitum arabdhe nikhilaihi. By all philosophers, nikhilaihi nirupayitum nikhilaihi api panditaihi. By all panditas, so-called scholars, philosophers, nirupayitum arabdhe. Once they start to explain its category, what type of category this world is, categorically they want to explain. When they start, Ajnanam purataha tesham bhati. What appears in front of them? Only ignorance. We don't know. Ajnanam purataha tesham bhati. Kakshasu kasuchit. At one point or other, at one level or other, they stand with an ignorance. One thing I have discovered, this is the answer, they say, and they finish that. Something other comes again, come on, tell me, explain about this, it asks. Again I have to talk about that. By completing that one, another thing comes like this. Atomic theory, Dalton atomic theory, they said, atom cannot be divided. They said first, atom cannot be divided. Further they divided later. After dividing the atom, they keep word, what is atom? Atom is that which cannot be further divided. Is called atom. Once you have divided it, subatomic particles, once you have divided it, how can you keep that word atom? Atom is that word which further cannot be divided. You have divided, then atom word you have to take out. But we have not taken out, we are using the atom word. Like that, so many confusions people are having. So Vedanta says, don't probe unnecessarily. If you are so much interested, I will see that how much you are confused. Further, Vidyaranya as an imaginary dialogue he is creating here. Imaginary dialogue. What is that dialogue? You see, Akasha, Vayu, Agni, all these are really born. Suppose you are going to probe into that. Now by proving that Akasha is born, Vayu is standing. Prove me about me. Na? By proving Vayu, again Agni is standing. One by one they are all standing. You finish one invention, another invention you have to start. Therefore unending PhDs. Research anartha. Research analysis is unending. Because you arrive at finally ignorance. I do not know. I do not know. You cannot give answer. What is that imaginary dialogue he is going to introduce in the 144? Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we will read the 144. Dehendriyadayo bhavaham वीर्येणोत्पादिता कथम् कथं वा तत्र चैतन्यम् इत्युक्ते ते किमुत्तरम् इत्युक्ते ते किमुत्तरम्. Now Vidyaranya asking, Dehendriyaha bhavaha viryena utpaditaha. Suppose I ask a question, how this whole universe, all beings have come into existence? You are telling, we are with Siddhantins asking the Purvapakshi. Purvapakshi means according to a normal common man, world is there. Every day maternity ward, many of them they are born. They are taking birth. So creation is real. Every second hundreds of beings are, not only human beings, other species also. Delivery, non-stop delivery. So according to common man, lot of utpatti is going on. Then suppose, I'll ask you now, tell me. According to you, all are taking body, they are all coming. I'll ask you how these bodies are coming. Tell me. Vedantin is questioning. Scrutiny, this is called scrutiny. Threadbare analysis. So he should stand for our questions, our arguments. So if I ask how these bodies are coming, then what do you say? Deha indriya Dayaha bhavaha. Bhavaha means organs. Deha means physical body. Indriya, sense organs. Adipadat, mind, etc. All of them. Viryena utpaditaha. You say, they are all born out of Viryam Purusha Bijam. The seed. Male seed, they are all born out of Purusha Bijam, Viryam, they are all born. Now I am asking, Katham Utpaditaha, how they are born? What is your answer? How all species are coming into existence? You say Viryam. Because of that seed, male seed, they are all born. Now I am asking, how they are born? One Virya Kanam, that cell, how a dot of that Viryam create the fetus, how it grows. How is it possible? How is it possible? Katham utpadita. You ask the doctor, how it all genes and solluva. They are all Viryam, then because of genes it comes in. Like father, mother, same ade. எப்படி இருப்போம் அப்படியே வர. இந்த genes and all, how can you explain? Genetic. They say genetic. DNA, RNA, chromosomes, so many things they talk. Then father has got a bald head and பையனுக்கு கூட bald head. இதெல்லாம் பாரு, they talk. அம்மாக்கு இங்க சொட்டை வந்தா குழந்தைக்கு கூட சொட்டை வரும் சீக்கில். கண்ணு வைடுனா இருந்தா குழந்தை கூட வைடா இருக்கும். இது எப்படி எல்லாம் நடக்கிறதுன்னு How is it possible? Viryena utpadita genes, chromosomes, RNA, DNA, and people go on talking. Then second line he asks, Katham va tatra chaitanyam? How that prana, the life principle, the consciousness, how it enters? How that human body or any body, any species body, katham chetanatvam, chaitanyam, that tell me. Bodies are born out of viryam. That is matter. That is matter. How this body has got the life? The life comes to that fetus after few months only, not immediately. Isn't it? When the viryam is implanted in the mother's womb, that matter is growing. It is not yet having life. It has not yet got a life. Then later it starts moving. Katham that Chaitanya, Vidyaranya asking that person. Just to don't escape by saying, because of viryam only all these beings are born. Don't say like that. I am asking how that being has got life. Katham chaitanyam. Iti ukte te kimuttaram. If I ask you that, what is your answer? Can you answer for that? Do you have any answer? How did that prana comes into that being, into that fetus? How did it come? How it become alive? Tell me, na kimutram asti? What samadhanam you are having? Na? He says further, next shloka. Viryasyesha svabhavaschet वीर्यस्यैष स्वभावश्चे कथं तद्विदितं त्वया अन्वयव्यतिरेकौ यौ भग्नौ तौ वन्ध्यवीर्यतः. Now the question is, because of viryam only it is coming, you are telling. Plants, do they have viryam? And inga varla chuva namakku corollary. How the plant is taking place in if you say viryam only, but in the case of plant there is no purusha bijam. Viryam is not there. Therefore, you cannot say it is viryam alone is the cause for species. Vriksha jati, where is the question of viryam? So therefore you cannot say. So their behavior also, in living beings itself, now I am asking, because of viryam only living beings have come. Now I am asking, why the behavior of the living beings is different? Different behavior. Same matter behaves differently. Why? You say, swabhavaha. It is its nature. Suppose you give the answer. Viryasya eshaha swabhavaha. How the fetus has formed from viryam, it is the nature of viryam. You say. Suppose. I am asking, katham Viryasya dehaha indriyaha. Something can come, no? Why this only body is coming? No? Just as the fire has got that ushnata, naturally fire has got a heat, ushnata. Tadvat, like that, virya swabhamame enna, giving birth to body, sense organs, its nature. It is its nature, swabhavam. But then why behavior swabha changing? What is the difference between differences of behaviors? How can you answer differences between that each shariram, behavioral differences? How can you answer? For that you don't have answer. எனக்கு தெரியாதுன்னா, I don't know. You say finally, I don't know. Therefore, वीर्यस्य एषः स्वभावः चेत् कथं तद् विदितं त्वया? How do you know that is वीर्य स्वभावः? A swabhava is that it must be universal. A swabhava, agnau ushnata, it's a swabhava, it is universal. You can say, what is universal? Swabhava, always swabhava must be universal, it can never change. Like that you have to say, swabhava is that which will never change. You cannot say this is cold water, this is hot water. Cold water is its swabhava, hot water is its swabhava, can you say? Hotness, in the water is its swabhava? No, it is not its swabhava. You cannot say. Like that, Viryam alone is the cause for Deha, but for some male, the Viryam is not productive. Counts are less. Suppose that lady is not becoming pregnant, what is the problem? Test panna Vandhya Viryataha, because that male Viryam is unproductive. Vandhya means here Vandhyaha, Vandhya, Rund, female and male, Strilingam and Pumlingam. It has got two lingams, two genders. Grammar point. Ipo confusion irke. Male and here Vandhyaha is a masculine gender, Vandhya is a feminine gender. Here Vandhyaha Viryavat means Viryavataha means that male seed is not productive, that is called Vandhya Viryam. When the counts are less, doctors they do lot of test. After doing that, why pregnancy is not coming to my wife, that person asks. Doctor says counts are less. Adu ennamo counts are less, doctor says. That male body in that Viryam, that it doesn't have a productive capacity. It is called Vandhya Viryam. From that Vandhya Viryataha, where is Deha? Deha utpattihi bhavati va? Na bhavati. Suppose you say Anvaya Vitareka. And the second line, enna solrarana? How do you know that Viryam alone is cause for that? You say Swabhava. How do you know it is only Swabhava? How do you know it is its Swabhava? Wherever Viryam is there, Deha utpattihi bhavati. Anvaya. Yatra yatra Viryam tatra tatra dehotpattihi. Wherever Viryam there is Deha utpattihi is Anvayaha, co-presence. Yatra yatra Viryam nasti tatra tatra Deha utpattihi, Sharira utpattihi nasti. Vetireka. Anvaya Vetireka. Suppose he gives, or Purapakshi. The one who says Viryam is the cause for Deha, Dehas are the cause for this Prapancha, therefore everything is real, Prapancha is real, bodies are real, Viryam is real, because of Viryam only, Deha Utpatti. I will ask you, but Bandhya Virye Utpattihi Nasti, Anvaya Vetireka doesn't work. Namma inga supply pannikkanum. If you take Anvaya Vetireka, wherever Viryam is there alone the Utpattihi Bhavati, Deha Utpattihi you say, we are asking him, Anvaya Vetireka if you follow, because of Viryam only bodies are coming, I am asking your Anvaya Vetireka doesn't work here. But everyone should get, no, after marriage, udane kolanda varaname varamatingirade. Everyone is not getting children. பாவம் அந்தெந்தோ ட்ரிப்புளுக்கு போய் அங்கே போய் இங்கே போய் விழுந்து பிரதர்ஷனம் பண்ணினாலும் கூட அம்மாவுக்கு டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி அப்பாவுக்கு டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி எல்லாம் டெஸ்ட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் கவுண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் கம்மியாக இருக்க, அது வித்யாரண்யர் அப்படியே சொல்லிட்டார். வந்திய வீரியதா பக்னௌ தௌ அன்வய வியதிரேகௌ யௌ அன்வய வியதிரேகௌ tvaya ukta. So, you have to say, what anvaya vyatireka you have said, because of viryam only deha is coming. Viryam is not there, deha is not coming, it is supplied. Because of his way of presentation, it is called generality. Anvaya vyatireka vyapti. Anvaya vyatireka. Yat sattve, yat sattvam, yadabhave, yadabhavaha, tat tasya karanam. Virya sattve, deha utpatti. वीर्य अभावे देह अभावः तस्मात् वीर्यमेव देह उत्पत्ति कारणम अन्वय व्यतिरेक भग्नौ. Bhagnau means what? It is destroyed. Your अन्वय व्यतिरेका doesn't work because there are many men don't have the productive bijam. From that viryam no deha utpatti. Yau अन्वय व्यतिरेकौ त्वया उक्ता or uktau त्वया उक्तौ तौ भग्नौ. Bhagnau is a past passive participle, seventh conjugation. Bhanj dhatu. Bhanakti bhangtaha bhanjanti. Mana bhangam. They say no shapa. Shapa bhangam, and the bhangam comes from that only. Bhagnau, that means destroyed, dismissed, negated. Bandhya viryataha bhagnau. Therefore, you cannot say viryam is the cause for deha utpatti, because in spite of viryam, there is no possibilities of bodies in many places. Therefore, ruled out. What is this ruled out? Next. Now I am asking further, how these genes are coming, why there are diseases. Suppose they say tobacco, if you smoke tobacco, cigarette smoking cause cancer. Anvaya vyatireka. Yatra smoke, yatra cigarette smoking, tatra cancer bhavati va. No, many people are smoking, they are nannada nirka. அவனுக்கு என்ன கேன்சர் வரவே இல்லையே. ஸோ எல்லாரும் கேன்சர் வந்து யாரையுமே they don't smoke. But all people are not getting cancer. That's why many people smoking. If you drink alcohol, your liver will get cancer. Many people are drinking, all people liver is intact, no? You can use Anvaya Vyatireka there? You cannot. So your Anvaya Vyatireka failed. Therefore what you have to say? I don't know. If I ask why that one viryam of that person is not productive, what do you say? Come on, tell me. Because of viryam only deham is coming. I will asking why from one male body, from that viryam, why body is not coming? What do you say? I don't know. Doctors also says we don't know. That's why they say test tube baby. ஃபஸ்ட்டில் இந்த குழந்தைய பிறக்கலன்னா டெஸ்ட் டியூப் பேபியா தே ட்ரை. நான் நினச்சேன் அப்போது ஒரு டெஸ்ட் டியூப் பேபி நிஜமாகவே டியூப்பில் டெஸ்ட் டியூப்பில் பேபி வருவான்னு நினச்சேன். ஐ யூஸ் டு இமேஜின் லைக் தட். ஓ பேபி இஸ் லைக் ஏன்னா ஸ்லீப்பிங் இந்த மூவி இந்த டியூப்பில். Oh, they are creating babies from test tube. And then later we come to know just from test tube baby won't come. Father is required, mother is also required. They both, fathers, the seed has to be taken viryam, it has to be implanted from mother's womb. After some time it has to be taken out, then you have to put in the tube, then you have to provide the ambience of the womb, then only it grows. Ennach? Is it a test tube baby? Like that people go on and on, they talk. These are all non-ending, unending. Na janami kimapyetat ityante sharanam tava atayeva mahantosya प्रवदन्तीन्द्रजालताम् एतत् किं Kimapi na janami. Etad kimapi na janami. Don't ask further, he is telling. Don't ask further. Why that from that male body, Viryam is not able to produce human body or any body. Don't ask me. Aham na janami. Kimapi na janami. This body full of chemicals. See, one interesting thing. The matter, one matter appears like a living organism, life. One type of matter is inert matter. Another type of matter is a life organism. It is having life. ஒரே மேட்டர் தான். The whole world is matter. Why sometimes matter is inert? Why some places sometimes matter is sentient? அதையும் சொல்லணும் இல்லையோ? The whole world, if you see, matter is divided into two. Life organisms. The chemicals, with chemicals only whole body is getting biochemistry. Chemistry into biochemistry. Before this body is coming, what was there? Chemicals were there. Once chemicals joined together, before Big Bang, according to scientists, cholikalam, before Big Bang, what was there? Chemistry was there. Chemistry and chemicals are there. Those chemicals, how they are converted into biochemistry. Body is a biochemistry. That's called biology, no? If you ask a biologist, what answer he gives? How the chemicals are converted into biochemistry. Chemistry into biochemistry. Tell me. How is it converted? What can I say? Don't ask me. After conversion only I will talk. How it has converted, I do not know. That phenomenon, I do not know. But after converting biochemistry, again this body become what? Chemistry. Chemistry to biochemistry to chemistry again. Decomposed in artha. Once it is decomposed, this matter has to be disposed. Decomposed biochemistry has to be disposed. Why you have to dispose? Keep it. Why to dispose? ஏன் முடியாது? அதுதான் சொல்லணுமே. Why it is like that? Why a baby gets a diabetes when it has got a few months itself? Few months baby has got cancer in its eyes. Why? What is the reason? Means doctors also say what? We don't know. What is the reason? Maybe the cause. It may be the cause they say, but they never come to final conclusion. This is the reason, this is the reason. Any one scientist can say this is the reason, this is the reason. That's why scientists are so humbly accepting after doing lot of research. We don't know, but we are trying to improve the human life. That's all. We are trying to improve the human lifestyle. We cannot make the person live permanently. Anyone can make. In California University, they do lot of research. Angida or 500 people they do lot of research. In 500 or 250 without medicine and with some food, vitamins and something they give. Another 250 they won't give. And they do lot of comparative study. After that comparative study, they come to some thesis. அது வச்சுண்டு உலகத்துக்கு முழுக்க they give answer. Is it a solution for whole world? By doing analysis on 50 people or 30 people, you come to conclusion milk is good because I have done research on 50 people. 50 people, million crores of people. How you answer? This is only a generalization, but you cannot answer. It is not the answer for all people. Like that, so many questions are remained. That is why in Prashnopanishad, the student asks, Kim pranaha? where from this prana is coming? The question is, katham eshaha pranaha jayante? How the life has come into this being? Ati prashnan pritchasi. Guru says, Uddalaka says to his student, you are asking unnecessary questions. He says, Ati prashnan. Pippalada, not Uddalaka, Pippalada says, Ati prashnan pritchasi. Similarly, Gargi also asked the same way to Yajnavalkya. Please tell me what is next, how it has come. Yajnavalkya also says, Ati prashnan pritchasi murdhate vipatishyati. Your head will break if you ask further. But anyhow, Brahmishnosi tasmat aham bravimi. Atmanaha eva sarvam jayate. Atmanaha eva pranaha jayante. Atmanaha eva pranaha jayate or pranaha jayante. Atmanaha cholitar. Na chollamatani cholitar. From Atma only prana comes. Is this the correct answer? Na? First we say Adhyaropa. This answer of Yajnavalkya also is not the final answer. Nothing comes from Atma. Brihadaranyaka we saw, from Atma life comes. That is an Adhyaropa, the initial answer. But once you introduce Adhyaropa, once you are ready to understand the higher step, we say nothing can come from Atma. There is, really speaking, there is no prana, life coming from consciousness or Atma to this body. Nothing can. Nakinchit jayate jivaha. So nothing is born, nothing is come from Atma. That is the answer. Very, very difficult to assimilate. Nakanchit jayate jivaha. Sambhavosyana vidyate. There is no sambhavaha, there is no possibility of the birth of jiva at all. Then what? There is no creation at all. Etad uttamam satyam. This is the satyam I am telling. Mandukya Karika, Gaudapadacharya says in the 7th mantra. Nantah pragnam, na bahish pragnam, no bhayata pragnam. Everything, negation, advaitam, prapanchopashamam. Then prapanchopashamam theriyumo. Idudha. Prapanchame illappa. It's not there. Etad uttamam. Naiva kinchinna jayate. From that Atma nothing is born. That is why you are ending up with what? Confusion. Na janami kimapi. I don't know. Etat means further details. I do not know. If you say like that, iti ante sharanam tava. That is the only your answer. I know that. Ante, antima swaranam vatana. You have to say, I don't know. You cannot say, I know this, I know that. That is why all researches are going on. என்ன நீ ரீசர்ச் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பாக்கி இருக்கும், ஏதோ ஒன்றும் ரீசர்ச் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கலாம் லைஃப் லாங். அந்த யூனிவர்சிட்டிக்கு போனால் ஆல் ரிசர்ச்சர்ஸ் யூ கேன் சி. ஏன்னா ரிசர்ச் ஆல்வேஸ் நான் ஸ்டாப். யூ கேன் கண்டினியூ ஆன் ஒன் ஆர் அதர் ரிசர்ச். Therefore, ataha eva. Therefore means wherefore. Since you have to end up with what? Ignorance. Ignorance stares at you. Finally, kimapi etat na janami. How Viryam is not able to produce body everywhere, I don't know. Viryam produce body, you say, but I am asking, how do you know? Why that Viryam is information in one body? The information is different. Information, collecting lot of information and passing on generation. That genetic information, it is passing on generation. Kullu taatalindu yen varadenna? Eppadi varadenna? What do you say? I don't know. I don't know. That is called bit rate. இந்த கம்ப்யூட்டரில் சொல்லுவாங்க பிட் ரேட். அது மாதிரி இந்த பிட்டு if I ask every point, you say, I don't know. Why one child has got this deformity, one child has got that deformity, why one child behave like this, why one child behave like that. Behavioral strategy or category, can you explain? இந்த பிஹேவியர் எதனால தெரியலையே. வாட் அபவுட் யுவர் பிஹேவியர்? தெரியலையே. எது சொன்னாலும் தெரியலையே. அதுதான் நான் முன்னாடிலேருந்து சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். டோன்ட் ஆஸ்க். அதனால சே ஆர்யாணம் சிருஷ்டௌ தாத்பரியம் நாஸ்தி. நோபல் பீப்புள் நெவர் probe into Srishti. People are wasting their time in probing into Srishti, how all these are all born, how did this creation has come, how jivas are born. Yaar sonna jivas born nu? You are thinking. Na sollave illeye, Shastra says. And we forget, our children also, idella Shastram, we don't believe, we are scientific. Enna scientific? What is your science? Tell me. இந்த லண்டனில் இந்த வேக்ஸ் வச்சுன்னு தே டூ லாட் ஆஃப் சேம் பிரதிமா கரெக்டாக அப்படியே இருக்கும். வாட் இஸ் தி டிஃப்ரென்ஸ்? நீ அமிதாப் பச்சன் போய் அந்த ஐஸ்வர்யா ராய் எல்லாம் அந்த பக்கத்தில் நில்லுந்தான், அவங்க ஸ்டாட்யூ பக்கத்தில். பீப்புள் ஆர் நாட் ஏபிள் டு see the difference. ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு. Then this person is blinking, that is not blinking. That's the difference. Wax, that form is not blinking, but this one is blinking. அப்போ கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு அது what is that real one. Similarly, many statues are there in Marina, no? There are also chemicals. What I want to say, the matter and the statues, Gandhi statue, Kannagi statue, all these statues are also same chemicals. இதே chemical, அதே chemical தான். The student sitting in the class is also another chemical, bundle of chemicals, and the Marina Beach, the statue also bundle of chemicals. No difference. If mosquito is biting you, you just kill it. You want to push it away. But Gandhi, even though he is having stick and the crow is sitting on his head and dropping everything, he cannot push that kaka. But you push. What is that? Life, Atma. How do you know? Atma only gave prana. How do you know? What is the proof? Do you have any proof? I don't know anything. That's why Srishtau Tatparyam Nasti. Why? If you want to inquire into one thing, you come to some answer. But what about other things? One disease you find out by discovery, you talk about this disease. I am talking about another disease. New diseases are coming. Why they are coming? And they do research on rat. Rat vechunne all diseases, medicines they use on that only. And human being ki rat ki enna sambandham? Because the rat has got this problem, therefore you all don't eat this. That means you are also rat. You are also like a rat. They do lot of research on the rat because they can't do on human being. Which human being allows? Come on, cut my stomach and do research. After death only, dead body, they do research. Dead body research, everything you can't find out. Therefore, a living organism only you have to find out. Living organism, அந்த வாய் இல்லாத ஒரு ஜீவன் கொண்டு வந்து அது ஒரு போன்ல வச்சு ஜெயில் மாதிரி பாவம். You do lot of research, you give lot of medicines to that, all sorts of things you do on that. Really, for human benefit, they are killing so many animals. On live human body, you cannot do research. Why? Your convenience sake, for your comfort, you are doing research on that. Why? Because we don't know, we want to find out. Edhukku find out? You cannot reach a particular point. Because it is sadasad vilakshanam. Don't probe into matter. Matter doesn't matter. That's why my mystery, this is called a mystery. Mystery means what? My story is a mystery. My story means Nama Rupa story is a mystery. So how this consciousness has come into this body, where it is in brain, heart. Don't waste your time. By that time you will miss the moksha train. Use the matter, sariram, body, understand you are Brahman. Matter doesn't matter. Matter is given only to recognize you are Brahman. Why you are interested in matter? Tell me. Why you are interested in matter? When it is born, how it is born. Matter, by knowing matter, what you are going to get? By knowing about the matter, what you are going to get? You get another matter paper. Which paper? They give one certificate. Which is in paper. What is that? Matter. Matter. After some time it will fade out. What do you do that with that certificate? Without knowing the Aham Brahmasmi. So all people except Vedanta students, in spite of coming to Vedanta students, who are not working for moksha and spending more time in other sciences, they are wasting their time. Who says? Vidyaranya says, Ataha eva, therefore, Mahantaha. Mahantaha means wise people. Mahantaha. Asya indrajalatam pravadanti. It is like a magic. The whole world is like a magic. Whole world is like a magic. Don't probe into that. That's why Karya Karana Sambandha itself is the biggest violating law. Karya Karana Sambandha and the Phala Hetu. Hetu Phalayo. Hetu Phala. It is called Hetu Phala, means Karya Karana Sambandha. They say is the most violating law in the creation. In the cause and effect theory, that theory itself is not having a law. That itself is violating the law. In Karya Karana Sambandha, suppose you say, my father's viryam alone is the cause for my body. If you say, I am asking, how your parent has come? Kekala million. Unga appa eppadi vandarappa? Appa enoda appa. Avar eppadi vandaranna? Infinite regression. Anavastha dosha comes. First creation. First appa amma eppadi vandaranna? Don't ask first. It is a cyclic process. Adinale, if you ask into that, what, when it started, you won't get answer. Viryavataha agatam deha, you said. I am asking how that virya has come first of all. From food. How food has come? From bhumi. How bhumi has come? From water. Agni to akasha to... போய் சாப்பிடு வீட்டுக்கு போய் லஞ்ச் டைம் ஆயிடுது. Don't ask too many questions. மூர்தாத்தே விபதிஷதி. Your head will burst in an artham. Tala keela vidu anil artham. If you probe into that, really your hair, why father gets hair, white hair at the age of 30, இந்த குழந்தை கூட white hair வரும் 30 yearsக்கு. அது எப்படிப்பா அண்ணா? அப்படிதான் வரும். ஏன்னு சொன்ன போல டாக்டர் மெடிசன் கொடுக்கலாம் இல்லையோ, உனக்கு அது வேண்டாம் 30 years வரக்கூடாது, ஏன் கொடுக்க முடியல? அது கண்டிப்பா ஒன்றுதான் ஆகும், அவ்வளோதான். ஏன் வருவண்ணா? ஜீன் என்ன, அந்த என்ன ஜீன் என்ன? Hey, don't ask too many questions. Purnamada Purnamida Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.